There you go.
Okay.
While I toss out the new toys. Is that a new one? Oh yeah. It's all calm stuff, so it should last for a while.
Yeah.
Here, Cody, I'll take it. There you go.
There's Sawyer for you.
Okay.
Got toys all over the place.
Look at Toy City.
Toy City down here.
So like if we get a dog, you know we have this many dogs here, and you want to bring them in nice and easy instead of through the funky gate you're videoing.
He's videoing.
Sorry. Then you bring them through that back gate.
Okay.
See how that quiet that was?
Mm-hmm.
Nobody even knew he was coming in.
Go get it.
That is Sawyer.
Okay.
That one's a little funky.
The video lasts how long? At bottom left, that yellow bar's coming across?
Hold on, so I just hit the button again to turn it off.